In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube video not playing. If you're having issues playing YouTube video on the application, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, in these situations, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to force close the application of YouTube. So what I mean by that is removing the YouTube app from the recent app list and then try to open up the app again. In most cases, by doing this step alone, you should be able to fix the issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear the YouTube cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then just tap on the clear cache option. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This could likely be due to app bugs. So in this situation, what you can do is just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for YouTube, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application, because having the new update or downloading the latest version make sure that you have the updated application, and any sort of bugs which might be causing an issue should also be pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.